Welcome to another informational video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll be exploring the importance of mileage sensors and how they can help you maintain your fleet of vehicles efficiently. We'll be discussing the typical maintenance tasks based on mileage and how you can use your CMMS or Computerized Maintenance Management System to schedule and track these tasks systematically. If you're running a business that maintains a fleet of vehicles, you're going to want to use mileage sensors. These little devices can trigger regular inspections, fluid changes, replacements, or servicing tasks to keep your fleet in top shape. Now, let's talk about typical mileage-based maintenance tasks. First off, you should ideally follow the maintenance schedule recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. But for most cars, you should change the oil and filter every 3,000 miles. Some cars even allow you to wait up to 7,000 miles between changes. And while you're at it, make sure your maintenance technicians also check the power steering fluid levels, windshield wiper fluid levels, transmission fluid levels, coolant levels, exterior lights, and tire pressure. Next up, when your vehicles hit the 15,000 to 30,000 miles mark, it's time to replace the air filter. The battery and coolant should be checked around 20,000 miles, and the fuel filter replaced at 25,000 miles. When you hit the 30,000 miles mark, change the power steering fluid and inspect the radiator hoses, brake pads, HVAC system, and suspension system. Moving on to the 35,000 to 50,000 miles range. If you haven't replaced the battery yet, make that a priority at 35,000 miles. Replace the spark plugs and wires at 40,000 miles. You should also check the ignition system and suspension system at this time, and every 5,000 miles after that. And finally, when your vehicles reach 60,000 miles, it's time for your technicians to replace brake pads and fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, radiator hoses, and the timing belt. You should also check the suspension system, tires, and HVAC systems again if they haven't been previously serviced. By using mileage sensors, along with the many other available sensors within your maintenance program, you'll be able to track and monitor many aspects of your facility and its equipment. So, keep those vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. And remember, a well-maintained fleet is a profitable fleet. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of mileage sensors and how they can help you maintain your fleet of vehicles efficiently. We've also discussed how you can use your CMMS to schedule and track these tasks systematically. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more videos.